Some names don't just ride. They return. They cut through the silence with a growl. A flash of alloy. And the weight of legacy behind them. This is one of those names. CB1000F. A street fighter that once roared through the 1980s with muscle bike confidence. And now, in 2025, it's back. Smarter. Sharper. And ready to disrupt. Welcome to the 2025 Honda CB1000F. A machine that doesn't just lean into corners. It leans into heritage. Let's break it down. First glance, it's unmistakable. The 2025 CB1000F fuses the retro bones of its original 80s namesake with the futuristic menace of a naked sport bike. Angular LED headlamp with DRL halo. Muscular tank sculpting. Single-sided swing arm still intact. Machined aluminum accents, less chrome, more menace. Matte and metallic colorways, including the standout pearl dusk red and gunmetal black. No plastic excess. No over-designed fluff. It's industrial precision with just the right dose of aggression. This isn't a rehash. It's a resurrection. Underneath the tank sits the heart of a predator. The 998 cubic centimeters inline-four, borrowed and tuned from the legendary CBR1000RR platform, returns, but with a refined mid-range focus and smooth torque curve. Specs. Expect around 145 horsepower and 76 lb-ft of torque, delivered with Honda's signature butter-smooth throttle. But what makes this engine special in 2025? Revised intake and exhaust for sharper low-end response. Lighter internals for reduced rotational mass. Ride-by-wire fueling for precision delivery. And that signature growl, throaty, raw, but never obnoxious. It doesn't scream for attention. It commands it. Honda's calling card has always been refined neutrality, and the CB1000F proves it once again. Built around a steel backbone frame paired with a single-sided aluminum swing arm, the CB1000F keeps its weight around 470 pounds wet, light enough to flick, planted enough to rail. The suspension is fully adjustable. Showa SFF BP fork up front. Showa rear monoshock tuned for urban aggression and weekend carving. On city streets, it absorbs and obeys. On twisty canyon roads, it begs you to lean deeper. This is a machine built for everyday aggression, not track-only violence. The CB1000F doesn't overdo the tech, but it gives you exactly what you need. 5-inch TFT display with customizable layouts. 3 preset ride modes plus 1 user mode. Adjustable traction control, engine braking, and power maps. Quick shifter with auto blipper, standard on higher trims. Full LED lighting and self-canceling turn signals. Optional Bluetooth smartphone integration for NAV, calls, music. And yes, cruise control and USB-C charging come standard. This is tech that disappears when you're riding, and reappears when you stop. Stopping power is on point. Dual radial-mounted Nissan 4-piston calipers. 310mm floating front discs. Bosch cornering ABS and IMU-based traction control for stability when it counts. Tires. Honda fits the CB1000F with Dunlop SportMax RoadSmart IVs. Grippy in the dry, planted in the wet. This isn't just a bike that goes fast. It's a bike that stops and steers like it's reading your mind. Stick around for this. Here's your reward. Honda's offering a Street Sport Pro Pack, a dealer-installed upgrade that turns the CB1000F into a true street fighter weapon. It includes titanium Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, carbon fiber front fender and tail cowl, bar-end mirrors and billet levers, performance seat with added lumbar support, track-tuned ECU map with sharper throttle response. With the pack, the CB1000F becomes a statement piece. Not just a ride, but a rider's identity. So who should ride the CB1000F? The daily commuter who wants a leader-class thrill without sacrificing control. The export bike rider ready to sit upright, but not slow down. The enthusiast who values balance, finish, and feel over gimmicks. The street fighter fan who wants a legend, reborn. This isn't about top speed records. It's about total command of the road beneath you. The 2025 Honda CB1000F doesn't try to be everything. It doesn't pretend to be a track bike, a cruiser, or a tech demo. It is what it is. A razor-sharp, leader-class, analog-feeling machine, built with Honda's legendary precision, reliability, and character. In a world of hypernakeds and touchscreen toys, the CB1000F is something different. It's a machine for riders, not algorithms. And it's back. This is Acer Rider, where we ride with intent, review with honesty, and always twist the throttle just once more. Subscribe, stay sharp, and if you ever see a flash of yellow headlight in your mirrors, that might just be the CB1000F, catching up. Acer Rider, signing off.